God will live for you. You have called us out of darkness into light so glorious. God will live for you.
My hair will not be moved. My hair will never.
God will not be moved. Our God will never be
Will never be moved and will never be shaken.
To you we run.
Sabog-sabog.
5, 6, 7, 8. You are the way, the truth, and the life. We live by faith and not by sight. For you, we live it all for you. You are the way, the truth, and the life.
The truth and the
By
life.
faith and not by sight. For you.
Ano sing dito? Yung Ultraman! Hindi nito?
Ito talaga nag-walk ni Robin. One more time.
Hindi na move, hindi na susi.
The truth and the life. We live by faith and not by sight. For you, we will be all for you. Okay, let's party. Party. 5, 6, 7, 8. Gonna party. Party in Minusta. It's gonna party. Party in Minusta.
Ano?
Naiintindihan ko yung yay.
Nasayan ako dun sa inyo. Masaya.
Kuya Mixon.
Ako po si Kim. Ayan po, ang pangalan po ng live group namin ay Illuminous.
Sana laging masaya.
Ayan, Illuminous po.
Sana laging masaya.
Greek word po yung Illuminous.
Ay,
And
Greek word,
it
beloved.
means united
Ay,
po.
united ka na,
And
beloved.
united
Uy,
means,
hindi. Bigyan ko sina.
there's unity. Meron pong ano. And
Eh?
nagsama. Nagsama po. So yun po.
Ito ka na!
First po namin is Philippians 2:2.
Di ka ayos, Nay? Di ka ayos?
Then make me truly happy by agreeing wholeheartedly with each other,
May
loving one
mag-hospital.
another, and working together with one mind.
Maraming
and
ano kayo ni?
purpose. And what is our purpose? It is to please God, to make God smile. So yun nga po.
Balik mo. Balik mo.
And we have one purpose and one mind po. And sabi din po sa Ecclesiastes 4:12, sabi po, a person standing alone can be attacked in
Chosen
the
Chicheria.
but two can stand back to back and conquer. There are even better for a people that word is not easily broken. So yun nga po, God has united us to be conquerors. Po. And yun nga, kapag po ano po, and kapag may united po or kapag there is unity, meron din po love. So kasama na din po yung bilang. So yun lang po. Amen.